Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, you are going to learn exactly how you can connect your Govee lights to the Wi-Fi and how you can fix the most common setup issues. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your Govee lights are powered on and your phone is also connected to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. After doing so, simply launch your Govee Home application on your phone. Then press this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to make sure that the Bluetooth, the location, and the nearby device permissions are basically enabled, as the app uses Bluetooth in order to discover the lights before transferring the Wi-Fi settings. So once this is done, you need to simply select your device and simply provide the Wi-Fi name and the password and wait for the setup to basically finish. So when it is finished successfully, you can go to the home page, then you can select the option of all, and it is going to show you all of the lights available on the home page. Right next to it, you are going to see the on off buttons as well. So you can just simply use the on off buttons in order to basically on or off them. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.